Bayushi Shoju's mother died giving birth, and pain marked his life from the beginning. A birth injury crippled Shoju's right arm, forcing scorpion magic to restore it daily. Each morning, dark magic revived his arm, but the ritual brought unbearable pain. As a child, Shoju fell from Kyuden Bayushi and saved himself with bleeding hands. His father watched silently, teaching Shoju that weakness was never worth saving. Shoju's younger brother Aramoro was stronger, but Shoju alone was born to rule. After his father's death, Shoju crushed the lion army and executed the killer himself. That victory established Shoju as ruthless, brilliant, and fully worthy of leading the scorpion. Shoju became master of deception, never wearing the same mask twice within the Imperial Court. He carried Itsuwari, resisting the whispers of ambition, the cursed Bloodsword beneath his castle. Behind perfect manners, Shoju calculated every alliance, weakness, and hidden truth across Rokugan. Brilliant, wounded, and merciless, Bayushi Shoju became the deadliest mind in the empire.